When you started the class.
Nice. Uh, what about others? What about others?
Yes.
Fine. Okay. So what was your percentage, Kaji and Harini? What was your percentage? How much you got?
Sir, my percentage was wait, sir. Where it go?
So have we discussed the question paper?
Yes, sir, we have discussed, and I asked the doubt also which I was having.
Exactly. So yes, Akaji, basically the reason behind conducting an online session, extra session is to know the top three reasons behind getting less marks. So may I know what are the reason what are the reason behind getting less marks?
Sir, I did not.
Basically, look at this. The reason
Yes, sir.
behind taking an extra session is to ask you, to talk to you personally, to motivate you. Yes. What are the top three reasons? What are the top three reasons?
So top three reasons are first I was not feeling well and I did not practice much, sir, because I practiced a few worksheets from like other chapters before there. So I was tired little bit due to Ganesh Chaturthi Nimajanam and also. That's it.
Okay. See, basically, I don't want to hear this kind of excuses that I went there, this, that kind of, basically, these are silly excuses from your side. I don't want to hear this type of reasons. And yes, I don't think so. You won't get, 1 hour of time to prepare and, perform an exam, isn't it? So, yes, you must focus on each and every exam. Each and every exam is very important. Whatever the marks you are getting, each and every mark is going to count for your final test. You understand? Are you getting my point?
Sir, I just do a silly mistake, right? Like I have not read the question properly.
Right.
Means some of the questions which I was knowing, so but that also get wrong for not reading the question properly.
Right. Fine. What about you, Pranav? Did I ask like how many of you asked? How many of you got less than 80 percentage? How
So
many of you
me,
got less than 80?
sir,
Achha. What about you, Harini? I know that. What about Taruni? Yes, Taruni. I want you to talk in class. You're not talking in the class. I just asked you to talk. I just keep asking you to respond in the class. Just talk something. I need to know reasons from your side. What were the reasons? Tell me.
Sir, I didn't write that test, sir.
Huh?
Sir, I wrote another test I already told you on that day.
Oh, you just attempted another test. See, every weekend, like I just gave the clear cut, title of that exam. Isn't it? You have the proper title, then how come you attempt another test? Please, you cannot do that. Yes, one time is fine. So next time it shouldn't happen with you. All right,
Yes, sir.
Karmi? Yes. Okay, so okay, so your friends are gonna join at 5:15. So I had to join it like I should have joined at 4:45 itself, but I had some technical issue from my side, so I couldn't join. Fine. And why were you late, Taruni and Pranav? You guys have joined just now. So why were you late actually?
Sir, I had some work, sir.
Sir, I'm here for the normal class. I didn't get
You are
left.
here for the normal class. Fine, fine, cool. Yes. Tell me what chapter you want me to discuss now? Yes, we have done. In fact, we have done with the syllabus. So now we are in the revision session. So what chapter do you want me to start with, and what we have discussed in earlier classes? So yes, last
sir,
class we have discussed the question paper. Before that, what we have discussed?
sir, we have discussed lines and angles.
Lines and angles we have discussed. Yes, we have done the revisions. So next, which chapter you want me to discuss? Shall we go for?
Sir, in my exam, quadrilateral is coming.
Sir,
Okay.
we will be discussing coordinate geometry, sir. I'm requesting you
Acha,
from many
okay.
days.
Yes. I understand. No problem. Every chapter I'll be discussing. Need not to worry about that. Okay.
Sir, shall I practice and whichever I have doubt, can I ask you?
Definitely. Look at this, Kaji. It's not an issue. I'll be teaching. I'm here to clarify all the doubts, whatever the doubts you have. Need not to worry much. So today we'll go for coordinate geometry. Then some other day
So
probably
it's coordinate. Okay.
coordinate geometry. That is also that is also an important. See, today we will go for coordinate geometry, and when we have next class, when do we have? On Friday, right?
Friday.
Yes,
Yes.
on Friday probably we'll be having one more chapter. So today we'll revise coordinate geometry, then we'll go for quiz session. Okay, fine, fine.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
So we'll so still we have 10 minutes, so that at 5:15 everyone will join. So in this 10 minutes, I would ask, I would just request you that if you have any doubts, you can clarify your doubts. You can clarify your doubts. Yes, you can ask your doubts. So I asked you to go for worksheet. How many have you done the worksheets?
So which worksheet?
Which worksheets? Have you checked your Google Classroom?
Sir, only one worksheet has came triangle.
I just gave you dump of worksheets. You understand? If I'm not wrong, you might haven't checked your Google Classroom. Please go to that, check it out, and follow the worksheets. I think Kavya is joining. Let me admit him. Yes.
Oh, okay, sir. You have given Heron's formula also and statistic also.
Yes, I have given many worksheets, not only one. I think if I'm not wrong, yes, you might haven't checked that. Please go through that, check it out. Everyone have submitted. Everyone have submitted. See, every day, whatever the notes I'm giving, whatever the class we are going through, every notes I'll be sharing this. I'll be just sharing all these notes. You can check it out from your Google Classroom. You have Google Classroom, right? You are a member of that. Is that it? Kaji?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can check it out there.
Okay, sir. I just forgot to check.
Please go through that. I'll be whatever I write, whatever I present over here, I'll take a print of that. I'll post that PDF so that you can get it out. You can get from there. So that is the reason I always prefer that. I always say that don't copy the class. You listen the class properly. You have time. I'll give I don't basically I won't give extra time for copying the sums and waste the time here. I'll discuss as many problems we can. We have to discuss like as many problems we can, like this we have just today I thought of taking 1 hour 30 minutes, right? Due to technical issues, just the first 10 minutes like was today, so no problem, like still we have much time, like we have 1 hour of time. Let's utilize this 1 hour of time for entire coordinate. Let us cover entire coordinate geometry in this session. Full chapter we'll finish it out. Revision. So we'll solve the questions in the next session. Solving questions, do you want me to solve the questions, or you want me to revise another chapter? After finishing this chapter, I'll give a worksheet to you all. You please go through the worksheets. If you have any doubts from the worksheets, okay, you solve those worksheet problems. If you find any difficulties from that, you ask me that worksheet, I'll give you. If you find any difficulties from the worksheet, you ask me in the next class. Okay, if you don't have any doubts, then we'll go for another chapter, whichever the
Sir, I have a doubt from actually, as I am dull in coordinate geometry, I practiced few questions, sir. So in that, I have 2 questions doubt, sir.
Okay. Basically, look at this. Coordinate geometry is all about, in class, then we don't have anything too much. Look at this here. Basically, look at it. For suppose this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, this is my origin over here. So plot.
Sir, you are not sharing the screen, sir.
I'm not sharing the screen. My bad. I'm sorry. Am I recording, guys? Am I recording? Can you please check for once?
You are recording.
Yes, sir, you are recording.
Look at this. Yes. Look at this. For suppose in coordinate geometry, what are the things you have learned? Can you please ordinate?
Y-axis and
Yes, sir.
x-axis.
Axis ordinate.
Exactly. Basically, for knowing for understanding the coordinate geometry, first you must know what you mean by ordered pair. You must understand an ordered pair. What do you mean by ordered pair? Ordered pair. Ordered pair is nothing but what? First, suppose if I have two coordinates, let us say a comma b. So look at this here. I must represent in a closed bracket, isn't it? What do you mean by a here, and what do you mean by b here?
A is an x-axis and B is a
What do you
y-axis.
yeah, how do you pronounce and what can we call x coordinate as? X coordinate.
Abscissa. Abscissa.
Coordinate.
So we are getting a sound like you are near a cooler or a fan. So
You are getting some noise from my side.
Yes, sir, it's
Yes.
like a wind.
One second.
It's
one
like a
second.
wind.
Now, are you getting
no,
it?
sir.
You see?
Now it's fine. Yes,
Now it's
sir.
fine, right? Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, it was. Look at it here, x and y coordinate. So here, x coordinate called as how? Called as what? How do we call it?
Abscissa.
What is x coordinate here?
Abscissa, sir. Abscissa.
Abscissa. And this is ordinate.
Ordinate.
Clear? Yes. So you get, certainly you get, like, if I'm not wrong, you guys are gonna write Olympiad test, isn't it? You're gonna appear for the Olympiad test. You're gonna participate in a competitive exam, isn't it? Yes. In that exam, you can expect such questions like, look at this. First, suppose you have x comma y. Let us say x comma y, and x comma. Look at this. First, suppose you have, let us say x plus y comma 0. All right. All right. You have here, let us say that 2 comma 0. All right. 2 comma 0 you have, or let us say if I just say that x plus y comma minus 2, or I would say x plus y comma x you have, and this is equal to 2 comma 0. I would ask you to find x and y values here. This is an ordered pair. I would ask you to find x and y value. Very simple. How do you just equate this? Here abscissa is equal to this abscissa. So x plus y is equal to 2, and this ordinate is equal to this ordinate. So here x value is 0. If I substitute this value over here, 0 plus y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. X is equal to 0. So what is my x comma y here? 0 comma 2. This is a basic sum. This is a basic sum. I'm not saying that you get this question. You understand? Clear?
Yes,
So,
sir.
let me
Yes.
give one more sum. Let us say that a plus b comma a minus b. You have, let us say 3 comma 4. Then find a and b. Make it fast. Make it fast. See, find it. Make it fast. How do you solve this? Very simple. Very simple.
So a plus b is equal to 3.
So
Which is
3 plus
is,
3 plus 4.
a is
How do you solve this? A is
yes.
equal to what? 7 by 2. Isn't it?
Two.
A is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
clear? Yes. So this is a
Yes.
one type of question. If a value is if you know a value, how come you solve a b value? Substitute in either of the equations, in any one of the equation. All right. So you get b value very simple. Let us say this is my equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So from the equation number 1, look at this. A plus b is equal to 3. So 7 by 2 plus b is equal to 3. B is equal to 3 minus 7 by 2. So b is equal to 6 minus, how much you get? Minus 1 by 2, minus half. So these are my values of a and b. I hope it is clear with everyone. All right. Any doubts?
No, that's sir.
Very simple. Very simple. Next one we have.
Out here.
Yes. Yes, Harini, tell me. You can ask, please.
So, can we solve like a plus b is equal to 3, which is nothing but 2 plus 1 or like that? Sir, here the equation is actually a plus b is equal to 3, no sir?
Yes.
So can we just assume like a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 and write the equation, like solve the equation, sir?
Basically, you can assume that you can just go by trial and error method, but that is not the case. Whenever you have two linear equations, these are linear equations, isn't it? So sorry, you have these two equations. So whenever you have these two equations, I could find two. Look at this. We have to find unknown values over here, which are a and b. right? You can just go by trial and error method, but whenever you have options, yes, when you solve these two, like, when you solve these two equations, straight away I'm getting A and B clearly here. I'm getting A and B clearly. A and B, you get easily, right? So I understood your point. Look at this here. Let's say that, for suppose you have 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. What kind of equation is this? It's a linear
Sir,
equation. Since
linear equation one
the
variable.
degree of this particular equation is 1. So that is the reason why do we call that equation as a linear, isn't it? Yes. Now,
Sir,
yes, tell me.
sir, you said you will take class at 4:45 today. I mean,
Yeah,
extra fun.
we started, but no, I started, but from my side, from my side that, I wasn't in a position to admit you all. That's the reason it happened. So 10 minutes. It was
Sir,
delayed.
started
Then
at
we started
4:53.
5:55, something like that. Yes.
No, sir, 4:53 you started.
Yeah, 4:53. Yeah, somewhat late.
I was trying for like 10 minutes. That's why I didn't.
Okay, not sure, but 4:53, we started. Yeah. So yes, no problem. Yes, what we were discussing. Yes. Harini, you were saying that, how you can assume that, but there are plenty of values. For suppose, because A and B, if A plus B is equal to 3, if A can be 2 and B can be 1, so there is
Yes,
one
sir.
possibility. So there are plenty of possibilities which give, which satisfies, this equation, isn't it? So A can be 2, B can be 1. This is one possibility. B is equal to 2 and A is equal to 1. This is one possibility. There are plenty of possibilities. So that is not the way to solve, isn't it? So whatever we have done, that is the best way to solve. That is the exact answer where you satisfied with. Clear? This is how you must solve whenever you are having like two equations. Okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
By using ordinate, by using axis and ordinate concept. Next, and basically in coordinate geometry, what exactly the heart of this chapter? What is the major part of this chapter? Cartesian plane. What do you mean by Cartesian plane? What do you mean by Cartesian plane? What do you mean by Cartesian plane? You must tell me. What do you mean by Cartesian plane?
Sarah,
So y-axis
Sir,
and
Cartesian.
x-axis.
Cartesian plane is nothing but, in a plane wherever you have two axes, like, x-axis and y-axis. That is a Cartesian plane. Look at it. This is a Cartesian plane now. This is a Cartesian plane. Yes or no? Wherever you have two axes called x and y, that is that particular,
Yes.
plane. This plane is called as a Cartesian plane. In this Cartesian plane, what we represent? We represent coordinates. What kind of coordinates? X and y coordinates. Look at this, plotting the points on the graph. Plotting the points on the graph. That is what we learned here. Let us say that, for suppose you have a coordinate like -3, 0. -3, 0 is nothing but, where do we get here? -3. On x-axis -3, and y-axis 0. So -3 will be here. And this is what, one second. Now, this is what your point will be. This is how you represent. Very basic, isn't it? Yes or no? Very basic. Yes or no? You understand? Yes or no? On x-axis, what will be the y value? Of course, 0. On y-axis, what will be the x value? 0. Basic. Very basic. Yes or no? On x-axis, what is the y value? Look at this here. This is my x-axis. On x-axis, what is the y value?
0.
0. Of course. On y-axis, what is the x value? 0. देखो थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस लगाओ इधर. आ रहा है समझ? You understand here, guys? Guys,
Yes,
are you
sir.
able to understand? Thoda common sense. Already we have done with this chapter. I'm not teaching each and everything. I'm not spoon feeding here. Very simple. Like, I'm going somewhat fast only. So very, very, very basic
Yes, sir.
concept. Why? Because like every day we are taking one chapter and we are just covering up revision session. Right? It is not like this is x-axis हो गया, ये y-axis हो गया, ये तो y' हो गया, x dash हो गया. So I don't want to teach in that way basically. ये बहुत मैंने अभी भी बहुत basic से पढ़ा रहा हूँ. So this is what enough. Now, can we solve? Look at this here. Let me give you. For suppose, I would ask you that x is equal to 5. Represent on the coordinate. Represent on the Cartesian plane. Represent on the Cartesian plane. X is equal to 5. How do you represent?
X, 5, 0, sir.
5, I have only x coordinate.
0, sir.
X is equal to 5. Look at this here. How do you represent this? Tell me.
yes, sir, a parallel line with x as 5.
Sir.
To the
Parallel line
y-axis.
to
Yes, x is equal to 5. I have here. So x is equal to 5 is nothing but what? X is equal to 5. Where do we get? Look at this. If I just Make a unit 1, 2, 3, and so on. Like this is 5. Let us say that. This is okay. If I talk about x is equal, now sometimes he might be asking you that x is equal to minus 5 units above to the origin, above origin. How do you solve that? X is equal to 5 units from, look at it, from the origin. How do you say this? Either this, either this. Yes or no? From the origin. I'm not saying from the origin. It could be above the origin. It could be below the origin. It can be anything, right? It did not mention exactly what exactly the region we must draw over here, isn't it? Look at it. X is equal to 5 units from the above, from the origin. It could be above the origin. It could be also, down the, like, from the negative side of, y-axis as well. The only ultimate point, what is ultimate concept here? 5 units from the origin. This is my origin. देखो इधर से 1 2 3 4 5, इधर से देखो.
Sir, how is that x is equal to 5?
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
X is no,
No, isn't it y is equal to 5?
y is equal to 5 only. Y is equal to 5. Yes, why? Because y is equal to 5 is nothing but, look at this is y is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 is nothing but this is like. ठीक है? बराबर? You understand? X is equal to 5 will be parallel to y.
Sir, I have a doubt in Cartesian plane, sir. Sir, like, what's the, like, the origin passes through the both axes, or it has
Both
a
axes.
single.
Both axes. No. It passes. Look at this here. This is what the, point of intersection of x and y is what? Origin here. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Point of intersection. I'm talking about intersection. Intersection అంటే ఏంటిది? రెండు యాక్సిస్ కలిసే చోట ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ అంటాం కదా, అవునా కదా? Yes or no?
Yes,
This is
sir.
intersection. That is for origin here.
Yes, okay.
Yes. So
I
now y is no. Y is equal to 5 units from the origin is nothing but this is my origin here. From this 5 units and y-axis 5 units, which is nothing but x value will be 0. You understand? I'm talking about y is equal to 5 units where you will be having x as 0 and y-axis x coordinate will be 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is y is equal to 5. Now if I talk about x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 parallel to y-axis, then this is my y-axis, this is my x-axis. Now I have y is equal to 5 here. Whenever I have y is equal to 5, this is how my graph will be. This is how my graph will be. Next, if I let's say that x is equal to minus 4 or 1 second, x is equal to 4. X is equal to minus 4. I'll simply x is equal to minus 4 you represent on a Cartesian plane. How do you represent?
-4, 0, sir, which lies on negative side of x-axis, sir.
Yes. Wait, how do you x-axis, y-axis? Minus, look at this is what mine. You understand? On x-axis, y will be 0, y coordinate will be. So here this on this axis y is 0. So this is what the graph. -4 I'm talking about, -4 units. -4 units. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, so what we have learned apart from this, plotting the points, plotting the coordinates. How do we need to plot? First, we must check always x. For plotting, you will be having x and y values. Let us say that we have x comma y as -2, comma 3. First, we must check -2. -2, where will it be? Where will we be having -2? Where do we have -2? Here I will be having -2.
Sir, on x negative side of x.
3 on y-axis, 3 is nothing but here somewhere. So here 1 0 1 2 1 2 3. 3 is nothing but here. So this is my -2 comma 3. So this is my graph. Clear? Any doubts?
No,
Any
sir,
doubts?
no doubt. No, sir.
Very simple. Apart from this, did we learn anything? I don't think so.
No, sir, no, nothing.
Any doubts so far? Any doubts? I'm asking each and every student presented over here I would
Sir.
No doubt, sir.
Sir,
very simple, very simple. And shall we have a small quiz on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
please.
please.
Sir, after quiz, can I
Yes,
ask
sir.
2 questions? So I have
Please,
2
Harini.
questions.
Yes, yes, sir. Harini, you can, you can. Yes, how many of you are okay with the quiz? Can you please raise your
Yes, sir.
hand?
Sir, Chavya Singham.
Raise your hands, please, 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 please. Make it for within 5 minutes. I'm going to wind up the quiz. Within 5 minutes, not more than that.
So, can you just wait 2 minutes? Like this, I would just want to join with another device.
Please, 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 go ahead, go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
What about others? Guys,
Sir, I'm ready, sir. Sir, 1 minute. I will
I
raise my
would
hand.
see here. I would request you all that please raise your hand if you are okay with the quiz. I'm conducting no live quiz right now. How many of you are okay with that? We had a revision session, right? Small revision session. Let us have a small quiz on that. Then you can ask your doubts clarified, please.
Sir, almost half of the class.
Yes, I would consider major. Yes,
Yes,
Nitya,
sir, more than half. I
more
just.
than half. Yes. What about Devasri, Modita, Sayakshit, and Akshit, Krishna Chaitanya, Pat Ahuja?
Sir,
What
out of
about-
20, only 5 have 6, 7 raised their hand.
Yes, no problem. Yes, I think Piyush is going to join now. Yes, he has joined. Yes, everyone is okay with this. So let's go ahead with that. And 1 second. So quiz on coordinate geometry, right? So quizzes. Just a minute. So I'll be sharing a link to you all.
Yes, sir.
Please,
Can we lower our hands, sir?
please, just a minute. Sorry, you asked me something.
Can we lower our hands?
1 second, guys. I don't create only. Let me share a screen here, but it's not coming. It's not coming like how create the quiz, isn't it?
Not create, sir. Like creating meaning you have to
Search, like
click your own
we'll,
one.
we'll like search. Like let me search.
Yeah. Yes,
What
sir.
are- Lines and angles only, right? It's not lines and angles. What we have learned now?
Sir, coordinate geometry.
Coordinate geometry. We didn't get coordinate geometry.
Sir, geometry, you wrote, sir. It's geometry. Geo.
So.
So the ones without super thing.
So I think
The first one.
no, there's a
Yes,
class.
sir. We can do the first one, right?
Yeah,
There's a
sir.
class
please.
10, right? There's a class 10.
Sir, which you go, it was
No, no.
class 9th.
This is a
down.
class 10. There's a class 9 we have. Just a minute. It do get just
Yes.
start like quiz. Classic continue. Yes. Let me stop the recording. I just copy the link.
So can you allow me?
I don't have request from your side. How come I don't? Please join this quiz immediately. Come on.
Sir,
Sir, link
link
is not
to, yeah, sir, link is not received.
I just shared the link to everyone, guys. Acha.
But it,
Okay, okay.
So
okay.
can you allow me? I'm in the waiting room. It's fine.
1 second, 1 second, 1 second. You are in waiting room.
Yes, sir.
1 second. No, I don't. 1 second. Yes, you are here. So to everyone in the meeting. Okay. देखो मैंने अभी share करूँगा. Now I shared the link to everyone. Please join the quiz immediately. Make it fast.
yes, sir, we'll join.
Uh, can we start? Can we start? Shall I start? 15 of you have joined. Still, 3 more has to join. Make it fast. Make it fast. Make it fast. See, I'll start the quiz when you. Yeah, yeah. Everyone need to join here. Let me check how many of you have joined. 1 second. So 15 members. देखो 15 में everyone.
Sir, 3 more to go.
3 more to go. Only 15 have joined. That's what I'm just checking the names who didn't join. Okay. Please. Shall we start?
Yes, sir, you can.
Yes. Please, you also start writing the quiz.
So did you start? Okay.
Sir, my quiz got stuck, sir.
Who is this?
Sir, I got stuck, sir. My quiz got stuck, sir.
What happened? You
I
can
don't know.
rejoin it. You can rejoin it. Rejoin it. No problem. I'll give a time to finish the quiz. All right.
Okay, sir.
Please rejoin it. You just fill it. You just try solving the question as much as you can. You need not to solve all the question, but try to finish the maximum number of questions. You try solving as much as you can. Okay. But try to attempt it. Don't repeat. Chalo.
Sir, done with the quiz, sir.
Yeah, sir, you can end it.
Yes, sir.
No, so wait, sir.
Have you done with the quiz?
Yes, sir, completed.
Please. Those who have done with it is please don't. Those who have done with it, please recheck your questions. Can you check your recheck? Can you check your questions again?
Yeah, sir, we can, but the rank doesn't remain the same. So the longer you wait, the longer we have to. Yeah,
No.
the ranks.
I'm asking the questions whichever you have done like wrongly. Can you please check those questions again?
Yes, sir. Already done, sir.
Okay. No. What I'm asking is, yeah, how many? How many questions you just got wrong?
5 questions, sir.
5 questions you made a mistake. Okay. Please go through those questions.
Sir, in that,
The quiz, then we can.
yes, sir. In that one question is actually wrong, sir. I
Fine.
guess.
No, don't discuss.
Sir,
Don't discuss those questions now. Don't
sir,
discuss.
I'm not discussing the question. Sir, one question I misclicked it, sir.
Please, wait. Let others finish the quiz. Let us not disturb them. Please let others finish. Please wait. We'll discuss. Let us give time for them. No problem. Okay, fine. Please wait for them. So few of them they got disconnected. They lost their connection and they joined again. So just let them.
Should we end at 5:40? It's 37 now.
Yeah. 5:40. Last 3 minutes. We'll find. Make it fast.
So I didn't understand how do we find the distance between two coordinates given?
Sujay,
Those
please leave the
questions.
question if you do not know. No discussion between, please.
No, sir, I did the thing after doing. I'm asking.
No problem. We'll discuss. Let others write the test, please. If you're talking in between, they will get disturbed here. Please. Once we're done, once we stop, the quiz, then we can discuss the questions. If you want me to, clarify your doubts, I'll be, clarifying that, but not now. Please let others finish the quiz. Wait for 2 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's 5:41. So can we end the quiz?
Can we end the
Yes.
quiz?
Yes, I'll wind up. So I think Tarun is still writing, and Jivika, you have stopped in between. Jivika, you just done with 50% of the questions. Nitya, you also almost solved only 40%, like 40%. Like Jivika,
Sir, I
3 times, why?
sir, yeah, sir, I had a power cut, so my quiz stopped in the middle.
Okay, you had a power cut, no problem. Chalo, Devasri.
Sir, I'm not. If I click one answer, it is getting clicked another answer, sir. I don't know what is happening with my desk.
Okay. Chalo, no problem. Let's wind it up. Piyush first, Pranav second, Bhargav third. एक बार let us have a look at this. Yes, look at the Piyush, Pranav, Bhargav. Who is boss? At boss. At boss.
Sir, don't know who, but he's
Yeah,
always.
it's like common quiz, right? It is not a private platform. So yeah.
Maybe somebody else is.
Somebody else, they might have attempted at the same time.
So every time this boss comes.
So, but you cannot attempt any quiz without the link. So, like it's a private quiz wherein you share the link. No, so
Yeah, I shared the link.
Somebody is from our class only, but they changed the name. So maybe.
Okay. Yeah, somebody are from our class. So okay. Not an issue. So Toshnika, 5th, Harini, 6th. Okay, Kavya. Yes, Harini, you got somewhat improvement in this quiz. So like usually you used to get somewhat like very less marks, but in this quiz you got somewhat better. So Kavya, 84%, but your accuracy is somewhat less. You were like in terms of getting correct is high only, but accuracy is somewhat less, I think so. That Aditya, Akshit, and Tarun, you also did well. So comparatively last quiz, yeah, fine. This time fine. Ujay, you got down. Dayaba, okay, you just got up something, no problem. Devasri, 3 times.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, 1/3, 25. Okay. Jivika 3 times. No problem. See, make sure that when you are attempting the quiz, make sure that you attempt with your mobile data. So that would be better. So if you get disconnected in between, so it might be again like difficult for you to finish the test in time. Okay. Chalo. Yes, Sujay, you was asking something. Please, you can ask.
But then you have one more quiz.
Sorry.
Yeah, nothing, sir, nothing. No, my doubt is clear.
Doubt is cleared. Okay. Yes, Kavya, you was asking something.
Yes, sir. I was asking that can we have one more quiz?
yes, sir, may we?
Yes, sir, please.
Yes, sir,
because
can we?
They are having time.
You want me to conduct one more?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, but not on coordinate geometry like some of the chapters.
Yes, no. Today we had a coordinate geometry revision. So let us solve related questions, not in other chapter. We'll
Okay.
take up one more chapter in our next class.
Sir, but okay, sir, no problem.
We'll take over. Yeah, we'll take over. But not. We'll take over the chapter called let us say polynomials, or what chapter you have asked for? Polygons.
Polynomials, Heron's formula.
Yeah, Heron's formula. We have
Linear equations. There are a lot of that, right?
Yeah, we have plenty of chapters. We can go for that, but not in this class. So one chapter in one class. Like you cannot discuss like all the chapters in a single class and solve all the questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us begin. Can you see the screen here? Let me show you one thing here. Hey,
Yes,
who's
sir.
that?
We can.
Unmute yourself. Who is that? see here, I think this is the time you invested in a single question. So yes, I think the first ranker Piyush, like 8's like maximum. Yeah, it took more time for 8, 7, 8, 9th question. Okay, but 13th question you took more time. Okay. Okay, so basically, yeah, and run now as well. 64 seconds. Okay, no problem, but yes, not an issue. Chalo. Tell me, do you have any doubts from this? So this boss is always winning. Who is that boss?
No,
Who is that
no,
boss?
sir. No.
No, no, sir. Without knowing, so it's like he just got over. Like my rank went down because of that guy. So
Your rank went down because of that guy.
last I was at 4th, sir. The last minute I came down to 5th, and when I saw it was that boss guy who just overtook me. So
Yes, sir. Same, sir. I was in 5th rank, sir, first.
This boss is coming.
6th, sir.
Sir, it's like a boss versus the whole class right now.
Yeah, sir.
See,
Sir, I think.
Sir, you know, he's really the boss. He's really
Yeah,
the boss.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You know all answers, I think, sir.
he's really the boss. He's taking our ranking. So you should not allow him to take your rank, right?
Sorry, sir.
You should not allow him to take your ranks. Then you have to challenge him.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, sir.
Yes, yes. I'm asking about, I'm just talking, I'm saying others. After all, he is the boss. Yes, after all, he is the boss. Yes, you are right, yes.
Sir, sir, I uploaded my doubt in the WhatsApp, sir.
Okay. I think someone complete the quiz, notes down the answers, then join it again to me as boss. But that much time. Okay, tell me.
Oh.
Tell me.
Sir, I uploaded my doubts in the.
Why SAP
in
you
the
uploaded? So you
sir, can we have the other quiz now?
Yeah, but see, till 6:15, right? Last 10 minutes we can have it, but now tell me, Harini, you can tell me your doubt, please.
Yes, sir. I posted the pic in the WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, and now you tell me here. I can't go there and switch back there and crop it and paste on.
Sir, even I have a doubt. I'll ask it after Harini.
Please.
1 second, sir. I'm just opening.
Tell me, Sujay. You can tell me, please. Harini, you just.
Sir, in the quiz you conducted 10 minutes ago, actually I'm unable to understand how do you find the difference between 2 points like A and B, which had -2 and 0 and the other had -8 and 0. How do you find the difference between both of them?
There's a distance formula for that.
No, basically.
Yeah,
Yeah. See, let us say that let us say the -3, 4 you have. Another point, let us say the -2, 5 you have. So
Okay,
finding, finding the distance between these two is like basically you have a formula. These are like, this is my x1 coordinate, this is my y1 coordinate, this is x2.
Okay, x2 minus x1 divided by y2 minus y1.
No. There is a formula called x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
Yes, sir, that's what I was saying.
Yes, x2 is what here, -2. x1 is what here?
Okay, yes, I remember it. Okay,
y2,
understood.
what is the 5 minus y1, 4 whole
Okay.
square. So 1 plus 1 root 2. Let us say 1.414. This is what the answer. Clear? Very simple. What about other?
Yes, sir, understood.
Tell me,
Sir,
Sir, have you shared your screen?
मैंने भूल गया 1 minute. I'm not sharing the screen. I'm writing this.
Okay,
Then
sir.
you should have asked, right? देखो, Sujay, look at this. Sujay,
Yes, sir, yes.
देखो, I say you have to solve like this. Yeah, you understand Telugu, right?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me, Sujay.
So why are you taking roots? Isn't it just simply x2 minus x1 divided by y2 minus?
No. We have a root. Basically, we have a proof for that as well. I just taught you the proof as well. You can just go through your textbooks. You can find it out. Yes, there will be a root. There will be a root. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Tell me, Harini.
Sir, the first question is the coordinate of three vertices of
Sorry?
a rectangle. The coordinates of three vertices of a rectangle ABCD.
Hmm.
The coordinates of three vertices of rectangle ABCD are.
Or else you do one thing. Share the question to me. I can't hear you properly.
So I shared in the through WhatsApp, sir.
Hmm.
1 second. Sir. Sir, I shared you through WhatsApp.
Just a minute. But I didn't get still.
Yes, I posted it. Did you get some?
Basically what he has given, look at this here. Okay, this is a rectangle.
Yes, sir.
A 3,2 given. B minus 4,2 given. C minus 4,0. He's asking for this one. Very simple. Anything is fine. Let us say that, yeah, C, A, B. So C is what here? Minus 4,5 and D. देखो अभी कैसे सॉल्व करना है इसको? कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? देखो, distance between these two will be equal to distance between these two. Yes or no? In rectangle, what will happen? These opposite sides will be equal to each other. So distance between these two will be equal to distance between these two. आया समझ? तो मुझे,
yes, sir.
So I need not to worry about this. Yes or no? Why?
Yes,
Because if if I find this, if I find out this, I can get to know this. If I find distance between the A and B, then I'll be getting to know this. Very simple, isn't it? तो क्या है B क्या है? -4,2. समझा? बताओ अभी बताओ. Tell me. जल्दी से बताओ. You can tell me the answer.
Sir, actually, I don't have the answer, sir. I am just asking.
You don't have answer. What I'm asking you, just solve now. देखो.
So one doubt, sir. Sir, point C is in quadrant 2, but point A is in quadrant 1. Sir, point C is in quadrant 2 and point A is in quadrant 1. How is it possible, sir, if it's a rectangle?
Sorry? तो
Sir,
देखो,
quadrant C is in
49. तो ये क्या बचेगा मुझे? A B value is what? A B's value is what? A B value is what now? 7 plus 7 plus or minus 7, but side distance cannot be negative, so plus 7 I can take. So side can't be negative, so 7 centimeters or whatever. देखो कोई भी यूनिट्स कुछ भी हो सकता है. आया समझ? तो ये भी इधर 7 है, 7 यूनिट्स है, तो CD भी 7 यूनिट्स होगा ना?
Sir, I guess it is like the other way, like A and C are at the bottom and B and that are at the top.
हाँ देखो आप
maybe.
मुझे बताओ, आपका क्वेश्चन देखो सही से बताओ, कहाँ कोऑर्डिनेट्स है?
So I think because point A is in first quadrant
sir.
and point C is in second quadrant.
So the quadrant doesn't matter here actually, but the
yeah,
thing is,
not matter. It doesn't matter. But tell me, you tell me how do you want me to write? No problem.
sir, like, can you list out the points, please?
Yeah. So A. What is A here? B. C. Okay. D. Okay. This is what you are saying. Tell me.
Sir, what are the coordinates?
A, B, C, D.
No, sir, like the coordinates, like the values.
Values.
They have given. अच्छा, ये मुझे बताओ ये क्या? हाँ ये. How much?
A is 3 comma 2, sir. B is minus 4 comma 2.
Okay, sir, got it. Yeah. A and B should be the same thing, and C and D should be the same thing. Like we can go by the y-axis, right? So we can go by the y-axis, right?
I didn't get you.
So A and B are the bottom two, C and D are the top.
That's what I done right earlier. This is what you're saying.
Yeah, but
then
okay.
Now.
But sir, it is D should be C, right?
Look
Like
at this
it
now.
should be in order.
Look at A, B, C, D.
C and D, yeah.
Okay, now tell me. Yes, this is correct. Tell me.
So 3 comma 2 is A. B is minus 4 comma 2.
Okay, sir, I guess A and B's value should like position should interchange.
Let's say like the coordinates of B should be the coordinates of A, and coordinates of A should be
Like
coordinates of B.
they should just interchange, sir. Like where B is written,
देखो भाई इधर देखो इधर 3 comma 2 whether it satisfies here.
Sir, that's what I'm saying. Like A should be on the right hand side and B should be on the left hand side, because 3 is on the right hand side of the origin, right? So like the x-axis.
Tell me.
The x-axis of A is 3, right? B is minus 4, right? So the logically then B should be on the left side of A, right?
That is what I'm telling you. That you just whatever you are saying, I'm writing here. Tell me. देखो ये क्या होता है इधर 3 comma 2.
Yes, sir.
देखो minus 4 इधर.
Yes, sir. And then
what is y coordinate here?
Minus 4 comma 2, sir.
Minus 4 comma 2. Okay.
So C is minus 4 comma 5, sir.
Okay.
I know, sir. Like D,
one member, please.
Yes,
If you are talking like everyone, like
shouldn't C and D interchange?
Yeah. C and D should interchange the position, sir. Because
Yes,
like
sir.
all are in the same x-axis but at different y-axis. Yeah. Now it's correct, sir.
Tell me.
Minus 4 comma 5, sir. C coordinate.
Okay, अभी find out करो जल्दी से.
Sir, it's 3 comma 5, right?
Which one?
Like that point of D.
Find out करो. कैसा? How?
Sir, like take the same distance, sir. Like 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So similarly, x coordinate will be same because it's a rectangle, and y-axis will be 2, 5, right?
देखो, if you take this, let us say that this is as कुछ भी ले लो x comma y. ठीक है, I do not know that. I need to find out x comma y. देखो कैसा find out करेंगे?
So that's what I said, right? Like take the difference between x coordinates and y coordinates of C and B and just replace them here. That's all.
Difference of?
The difference of x and y coordinates. Like x coordinate is differences are going to be 0 because it's a rectangle. And y coordinate difference is 3 units. Like we can see from the CB side. Then it will be 3 comma 2 and D will be 3 comma 5. That's all.
Minus 4 you have it.
Yes, sir. I mean the y-axis, sir. 5.
Your voice is breaking.
Hello. Sir, I'm typing in the chat.
Yeah. Tell me, done?
Sir, the answer is 3,5.
Yes, sir. From the x-axis, it is. So 1 second.
Then how long will
Correct,
you take?
typed it, sir. That's what I meant to say.
3 comma?
So 3,5. That's what I meant to say.
What is A? What is A?
Is 3,2.
Comma 2, sir. B is 3,2, sir.
Hmm.
B is minus 4,2.
Hmm.
Is again minus 4,5, sir.
Hmm.
So D will be 3,5, sir.
D will be 3 comma 5.
Yes, sir.
Sir, so we have taken x coordinate from the A point A and y coordinate from point C. So how did we take this actually?
So
Yes,
can you
yes.
just check the chat, please? I sent the thing I wanted to say earlier.
Here, basically what I'm asking here is, don't find out first, D coordinate. This is a rectangle, right? Listen to me first, everyone, please don't talk in between, everyone. हाँ, देखो इसका दोनों distance है ना? This distance will be equal to this distance since parallels, like parallel sides will be opposite sides will be equal in a rectangle. ठीक है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. That's what I was saying.
हाँ. Now this side will be equal to this side. ठीक है? देखो दिस येलो कलर साइड में जो भी लिख रहा हूँ इधर, ये दोनों बराबर होता है एंड ये दो ग्रीन है ना, ये दोनों बराबर इक्वल होता है. मुझे बताइए जिसका डिस्टेंस क्या होता है, इसका डिस्टेंस क्या होता है? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन C and D is what? C and B, sorry.
So 3.
I think there's a problem with the coordinate of B, sir.
Sorry?
So I think there's a problem with the coordinates of B. Like C is also -1 and B is also -1.
Yeah, but no need of the figure now. We just want to find the point.
Yes, that is that.
So then finding the point means it can be -4, 2.
How?
Sir, because point D will be perpendicular to C, right? It will be on the same line. So its axis will be -4, and then it will be perpendicular to AB.
I don't
So
understand I don't understand how you're like saying that.
But 1 second, sir. Like, but if we take -4 as the x-axis of D, then A and D won't be on the same line, right? Like
Of
they'll
course,
be a bit
no, of course,
to the
no.
left. Like it won't be perpendicular exactly. So the figure is wrong. We all know, accept that.
No,
but the thing is
Harini
like-
only given this question. Harini, you must answer this. You must answer here. What kind of question is the where is the question? Are you here? Yes, yes.
Sir, we already found the answer, right?
Yeah. So the coordinates of 3, 5 as the difference between the x coordinate and y coordinate of the points.
Yes, sir. Then
The x coordinate. Yes. Who is this? Piyush.
yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm talking about Harini. She was saying something, right?
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir, I was just saying that we have taken x coordinate from C and y coordinate from C, sir. It was not clear, sir. Okay.
हाँ. 3, 5 सही है भाई पीयूष जी.
Yes, sir. Like I thought that.
Your voice is breaking a lot. Can you please text me whatever you want to deliver? Shall we move forward? You understood here?
Yes, I understood. Carry on with the quiz, sir.
Can't hear you.
So she's saying that she understood and we can carry on with the quiz.
Okay. Any doubts? What about others?
No, sir, no doubts.
No, sir, no doubts.
Which chapter you want me to? Yes, carry on with the quiz.
Sir, can we have it on linear equations of polynomials?
Yes, just a minute.
Yeah, sure.
Just a minute, 1 second.
Oh,
Let me share the link to you all.
yes, sir.
Make it first, join the quiz. Join it, join it. Join it, make it fast. Guys, we have just 6 minutes of time to wind up the session. Make it fast. So join it fast.
So you can start because no one is coming.
Yes. 12. Shall I start?
Yes, sir, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 12 and 19 are here, so except I, so 18 members, so still 6 members has to join. Who are they? Modita, are you here, Modita? Akshit, Modita, not here. Akshit, Modita.
Sir, they're there.
Sir, can we
Means they're
start? There are
present.
only 5 minutes left.
Yes, we'll start. Everyone, please join the quiz immediately.
So I'm facing some difficulty with this quiz, sir. It's not taking my answer.
It's not taking your answer.
So for me, it is.
No, sir. Like when I click
Okay.
A, it's taking somewhat like the other answer. So
You just go ahead. You just go ahead. Whatever you feel, you just click on that. Let's see after finishing your test. Let's see that. Okay. Please keep going. Yes, Aditya, Pranav, Shreyan, Path, Ahuja. What's the issue? What's the problem? Why did you raise your hand? Okay.
So done, sir.
Sir, done with my quiz.
Sorry.
Done with my quiz.
Okay, wait. Don't talk. Let others finish their quiz.
So why am I 8th rank despite getting 100%?
Today, wait, please don't talk in between, please. Once I stop, no, once I wind up with the quiz, then you can talk, please. Please don't talk in between.
Okay, sir.
Sir, it's 6:15.
Yes. Shall I wind up? Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Shall I end the
you can.
quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Pranav, Aditya, and Piyush. Top three.
Sir, I got 100% accuracy, but still I'm on 7th position.
It's because of time.
Yes,
Even
see,
I
it
got
shows
100.
like how fast you're solving a question. It's like
No,
on
sir,
a
I
single
just
question,
told
how
you
much?
that because that's the reason I'm on 7th position. My accuracy is 100%.
Yeah, yeah, you solved you solved all questions.
Sir, my
All questions
accuracy is also
correct, but
100%.
see,
Sir, like, can you show the screen? Like, can we display the thing with all the time, because I'm not able to
exactly,
see
it's
that.
all about time, how fast you're solving. See, Bhargav, everyone got you are in 7, Nitya 7, like 6th, Bhargav 7. You all are got 100% result, but the thing is how far you're solving. First single question, how much time you're taking to solve a single question. So those who are finishing within less than 5 minutes, less than 4 minutes, something like that, then you will be in top. Let me show you. Let me show. If you want me to like show why it's
Yes,
happening
sir.
like that.
Like we can't see how much time we took for each question.
No, I'll show you 1 second.
Yeah.
Look at this here. So first, look at this here. Pranav, you took like first question 3 seconds. Second question 5 seconds, like 6 seconds, 12, 31, 17, something like that he took. Right? Like Aditya, if you talk about Bhargav, you just take it all like 9, 12, 14, 9, 11, 4, 19, something like that. Right? So like you just observe the first ranker. He got up 100% and the finishing the question like within a less span of time, like 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, like within less span of time he has finished the quiz. Like sixth question he has taken 31 seconds. Yes. So yes, I just removed that boss. I just removed the boss twice. Even I removed, again he got
Sir, he is there.
Sir, boss employee
Boss
is there.
employee, he's
yeah,
there.
he sorry the
Sir, we
boss.
bet him, sir.
No,
We
sir,
bet him.
this time boss didn't join, sir. His employee joined.
Sir, but we bet him, sir. We bet
Boss
him.
employee.
Sir, boss's employee is very dumb, sir.
Sir,
There are more
But
bosses.
there
Bosses played so many games. 3 chances.
Yes,
Which
Sir,
is
I
the
wonder
problem?
how many managers are there.
Sir, he's
Fine,
being
fine,
cheating.
Chalo, now let's find out the session.
Up to
Okay.
Sir, up to 9 o'clock. Sorry, up to 9th rank, it is 100% only. Sir.
100% only, but it matters. Like it matters, man. Like how fast you're
Yeah,
solving
sir.
the question. That is the matters here. In when you are going
Yeah,
for
sir.
competitive exam, time management is very important. Everyone can solve all the
Yes, sir.
questions, but solving in less span of time is very important.
Yes, yes, sir.
Isn't it? Yes. Chalo. Goodbye. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye, boss, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir. Chat is
Boss's
very
I
employee,
think
sir.
you
Very
guys
nice,
might
sir.
have enjoyed a lot in this session.
Yes, sir.
Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
sir.
Because we bet the boss employees.
Yes, sir. Sir, 3 imposters
We didn't
are
bet
among
the
us, sir.
boss, but he.
Chalo. Bye bye.
Sir, that employee is dead. Boss will kill him because he did not come first.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. All right.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Yes, I have next class right now. You can just leave. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, guys.